day. Gonna smile? My Babas is feeling better. No more high temperature. He's doing great. Right, Babas? Just a small, simple rash left, but it's not too much. It's just small, like here. And on his chest, that's all. So he's getting better. He's better. Yeah. You didn't want to smile for me. Not even one bit. Smile. Baba, you have just finished a bottle of milk and you don't want to smile. Not at all. I woke him up from sleep because we had to prepare so that I go to work and he goes to daycare. That's why. Okay, thank you so much, everybody. Baba's is fine. He's better. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, everybody. Have a great morning and a good day.